So this is 1985, number 30. So this one's tricky because you do not know any trig function where the derivative is tan. So we're kind of stuck. And so the only option is to rewrite this. And here's how we're going to rewrite this. And this one's kind of weird. So we know tangent can be rewritten as sine over cosine. We're allowed to do that. And then now we have something to work with because we can actually try some u subbing. So you have kind of a couple choices for u. You could pick that whole bottom to be u. You could pick the top to be u, or you could pick the 2x to be u. Now, if you pick the 2x or the sine 2x, you're going to get stuck because I'll just show you. If you let u equal sine 2x, what's going to happen with that? Well, then you take the derivative of u. But since that's not an x, it becomes box. That's going to become cosine of 2x times the derivative of box, which is 2. And you would need that. And if you look for this, the problem, it doesn't appear on top. You have the cosine of 2x on the bottom, but it can't be on the bottom. It has to be on the same level as the dx. So that u will not work. And so, your only u that's going to work out nicely is the denominator. And you're going to see that's a common choice of u because it ends up with the ln. So we're going to let u equal the denominator. And you take the derivative. Again, that's not x, so it becomes our box in the chain rule. Derivative of cosine is opposite sine. Whoa, I didn't want to do that. It's going to be the opposite of the sine of box times the derivative of box, which is 2. Poopers. Try that again. So du is going to be -2 sine of 2x dx. And so if you look at this and you say to yourself, do I have that here? So close. The only thing I'm missing is the -2. So you can say, I don't have it, but now I do. Because -1/2 times -2 is 1, and I'm allowed to multiply by 1. I learned that in 3rd grade. Anything times 1 is itself. And then the other nice part about this, all this, is cos 2x on the bottom. All that is just u. So this becomes -1/2. On top, all of that's du. All the bottom is u. And we know the antiderivative of 1 over u is ln absolute u. Well, we should know that. But what is u? U is cos 2x. And that is our answer, and that appears right there. 'Tis B.